Hi there, I have the Hiking World wood burning stove set up here, and I'm going to go ahead and test it today. I have a pot with 3 cups of water, probably enough to make most breakfast or something. Right now it's at 64 degrees, and we'll go ahead and set it up. I've got a couple quarter sheets of a newspaper here, and some wood. So first thing, of course, let's go ahead and start it up. I think I'll just start with this. Time now is just about 10:41, so we'll see how long this takes. I have some very dry pieces of scrap wood that I'm throwing in. But I will quickly switch over to the sort of twigs that you might find out in the wild. It's really going pretty good, so I think I'm going to go ahead and go ahead and put that on there. Now again, the advantage of this type of wood stove is that since the combustion chamber is insulated, it really gets quite hot, draws quite a bit of air through, which means you can pretty much burn almost anything. Well, I shouldn't say anything, but you can burn wood that's typically a lot more wet. So I'm going to let this go. I'm going to pause this for a minute, and we'll see how long it takes to get this water boiling. We're about 5 minutes in now, and water temperature, this is about 3 cups of water. We're up to about 160, so that's a pretty good temp. One thing I've quickly learned is you got to keep a lot of fuel on hand, because this thing does consume it quickly. Second thing is, that's about the length that you want. That way you don't have to get your hand too close to get the wood in. So about the length of a finger, perhaps. And that way you can easily feed the wood in, and it'll stay in. I'm going to pause it again for a minute. Okay, it's only about 2 minutes later, and the water's really coming up to temperature here. We're at 187, almost at a full boil. Just taking, again, dry twigs from the ground behind me, and I'd say that in less than 10 minutes you can boil 3 cups of water with fuel that you can find at your site. And oops, I mentioned you really don't want to get your fingers in there too close, because it is pretty warm. So while this might be a little more effort than just throwing a propane or some other type of fuel in your backpack, if you're going on an extended trip, you never have to worry about fuel as long as you know there are going to be some twigs there. Looks like we're at a full boil now, and it's yep. So you can hear that, and it's about 10:40, 10:50. That's a full boil. Thanks for watching.